What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Eksa GT1 Gaming Earbuds. Before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. Now that I removed the plastic, let's see what you get when you purchase this pair of gaming earbuds. Now, this is a magnetic box. We're just going to open it up. And right away you are greeted with the case. Now the case looks like that because they're saying it's supposed to look like a Cobra. So the case actually lights up here, which I'm going to showcase later in the video. But opening up the case, and there you go. You have your Eksa GT1 Gaming Earbuds. Now we're going to put these aside for a second because I see there's other stuff included here. Okay, so right here you have your USB-C charging cable, USB-C to USB. I'm not sure why this is so short, but that is the charging cable. And then finally, you have your user manual. So first impressions, I really like the design for the case and the earbuds. So it really does have a Cobra-like design. So let me shut off the light on top of the camera. And as you can see here, you almost have to tilt it down a little bit and you can kind of begin to see a Cobra. And then if you still can't see it, if you open it up, there's a very close up of the earbuds. Let's now go over touch controls. So if you tap once on either one of the earbuds, you can pause, play, accept, or hang up a call. If you tap 2 times on the left earbud, what you can do is pretty much go to the previous track, and then with the right one, you can go to the next track. And then if you tap 3 times on either earbud when they're in your ear, you can utilize the voice assistant for your specific device. So for example, with iPhone, you'd be utilizing Siri. And then finally, if you hold for 2 seconds on the earbuds, you can toggle between the 2 different modes, which is gaming and music, which I'm going to go over later in the video. Moving on now to features. This earbuds offers Bluetooth 5.0 technology, 38 millisecond ultra low latency, 10mm high fidelity sound drivers, IPX4 waterproof rating, and like I already mentioned, offers 2 different modes that you can toggle between by holding the earbuds for 2 seconds, and that is the game and music modes. As far as battery life, the earbuds on a full charge last 6 hours, but you can get up to 36 hours with the Cobra wireless charging case. When it comes to the pairing process, that was pretty easy. All you have to do is just open up the case, and you can just even take one earbud out, and as you can see, it immediately appears right here, GT1, which is the model of the earbuds, and you can just easily pair it. Just tap on that, and you're good to go. Now you may be wondering, how are the microphones for these gaming earbuds? So what I did is I recorded 2 recordings, one in a quiet background and one with a loud background, so you can get a better understanding of how the microphones perform. Take a listen. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Testing. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Testing. So that was the mic test. Let me know your thoughts down below. Now it's time for me to share with you my thoughts about these gaming earbuds. So I did have a couple of issues with them. The first issue is after a day of use, I did use these for about a week, and after a day of use, it stopped announcing the different settings that I'm adjusting. So for example, if I am trying to switch between different modes, it stopped announcing it. So when I'm trying to change to gaming mode, it didn't announce it, so you just have to guess. Another issue I had to do with the controls itself. Now, when I'm tapping once or twice, when I'm tapping once to pause and play, that usually worked very well, but when I was trying to toggle between the different modes, it was sometimes not responsive and I would have to try a second time, but after the second time, it began working and, it began to activate or toggle between the 2 different modes. Moving on now to the pros. Now, the first pro I'm going to talk about is the design. A lot of the gaming earbuds out on the market have a very plain design, very normal, circular. This actually looks cool. It looks mean. It looks aggressive. And I really do like that. It separates it from other gaming earbuds out on the market. Another pro is the sound quality. Now, I didn't really notice a huge difference between the game and music mode personally, but I will say that the sound quality is pretty impressive considering its price point. It goes for $46 normally, but as of right now, there's a $10 coupon that you can take advantage of, which now makes it around $36. And for that, it's actually worth it. Let me explain. I did use these earbuds for the last week, and for the first few days, I utilized them mostly to play a bunch of games through the App Store on my phone. And then the other remaining days, I actually used them to listen to EDM and hip hop music. And I can tell you that the vocals and the bass were just really impressive when you consider the price point, like I already mentioned. This is a really, really good earbud if you're looking for a very budget-friendly earbud that delivers pretty decent sound quality for what you get. Overall, I will say that even though I experienced a few issues with the controls and not being able to hear the settings that I'm adjusting from these controls, I will say that I was very impressed with the sound quality, and I highly recommend them to anybody that is looking for a very budget-friendly earbuds that delivers very good sound for their price point. So this was my unboxing and review video of the Eksa GT1 Gaming Earbuds. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.